Here's how to redeem Roblox gift card. First, you need to go ahead, launch your web browser, then go to roblox.com, or you can also launch your Roblox application. Once you're in the official web browser, log into your account. Then after, tap on the Roblox icon in the top right corner of your screen. You'll get 3 different options of buy Robux, my transactions, and redeem Roblox codes. If you have any Roblox code to redeem, you can go ahead and open this redeem Robux code page. Now from the gift card you have, simply scratch. There you'll be able to see the codes. Go ahead and enter the code in this box, then tap on redeem. And if you want to buy gift cards, you can tap on the buy gift cards option from the bottom left corner of your screen. This will take you to this kind of page where you can go ahead and tap on this shop gift cards option and follow the on-screen instructions to shop. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.